Half of 2025 is already gone. You had big dreams this year. How many of those dreams you followed at least for 10 days? All those promises you made to yourself in the January to level up, to hustle harder, to make progress in your life. How many of those dreams are still just dreams? But it's not too late. Still, there are 6 months to turn things around. With the right tools, you can do in months what normally takes years. So here are some of the best AI tools right now, which will make you more focused, stay consistent, and actually build the life you said you wanted. Here is the first one in the list, Google AI Studio, which has so many internal tools like URL context tool, in which you can paste a URL and get information about that URL, and some of the normal tools like text to speech and text to image. But the best part of Google AI Studio is sharing your live screen and asking questions in real time. That means it will be like you're sharing your screen to a mentor in Zoom and asking questions like, in this window, what should I do to complete this process? Like this. Hey, can you see my screen?
Yes, I can see your screen. It looks like you're in VS Code. Is there anything I can help you with?
Next one on the list, Notebook LM. This tool will help you in your learning process. If you are listening YouTube lectures, reading PDFs or books, this is one of the best tools you can use to get summaries. But it's not the important thing in that. The most interesting part in that is making podcasts. Yes, that means like when you're traveling or right now, if you don't want to see your screen, then you can upload your resources to it and get podcasts. By that, you can listen podcasts from your resources when and wherever you want. We have a tool called AI Explorer, which have all other tools. That means you can find any type of tool you want in this a particular tool called AI Explorer. You can search by category wise, price wise, and you will also have ratings for the tools by which you can save your time of testing it. Actually, it will reduce the time of searching tools for YouTube. Next one on the list is napkin.ai, which is a great tool to make appealing infographics. Actually, if you want infographics, you need to hire a designer who will do these jobs. But using napkin.ai, you can generate infographics, what design you want, or which color you prefer. Actually, the infograph using for this video is also generated by it within just 10 seconds. By this, we come to the next one on the list is Suno.ai. If you are a content creator or a music lover, Suno.ai is for you. If you have some basic idea on music, like what kind of theme, mood, or which type of beats you want, then you can create musical diamond using this. If you don't know, also it's okay. You can use ChatGPT to give prompts. Next one on the list is Autopod AI. If you are a podcast creator, then you'll actually build a temple to this because it will do your maximum part of your job, which is cutting parts in between the dialogues. That means it will do the job of a person who needs to watch a complete podcast 2 to 3 times and take the between parts of dialogues. That complete process will be done using this tool. I mention all the above AI tools links in the description, and you consider subscribing only if you like the video or if you get a valuable information from this video. Signing off.